Assalamu alaikum everyone. Now I am discuss about pivot table. Now I am discuss about pivot table. When we are solve the pivot table, then first of all we can selected the full table. Then selected the columns and Control Shift down. This table are selected. Then we are type on insert tools. Then type insert tools and type pivot tables. This pivot table are showed and and type OK button. Then type OK button. This pivot table are show that in front of you, in front of me. This pivot table 6. The pivot table name is the pivot table 6. When we are any variation or any result, we can easily solve the pivot for easily solve from pivot table. Then we can select it column A. This pivot tables row tables equals, and when we are selected citizen zoom sold, then citizen zoom sold Chittagong, Khulna, Rajshahi, Dhaka. Then when you are selected column 2, then this column 2 show that Dhaka, January, February. And when you are selected the column 3, the Chittagong or Rajshahi, Kunla, the more tables are show. This is the pivot tables. This is the pivot tables. So we are easily solve the pivot table for this formula. Thank you everyone for your attention. Assalamu alaikum.